back to the channel. So I am back yet again with another video. I can't wait to show y'all this one. I'm super excited. I'm going to be installing another set of decals. Y'all know the Dodge symbol where it's like the two red slash marks. Yes, that's what I'm going to be installing. Decal is going to go right about here, and it's just going to be two red slash marks. So I'm super excited to get this one installed. It's going to be, or it should be, a very, very easy install. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right in. I'm going to start by showing you guys what all came in the box. All right, guys, so these are the only two items that came inside of the box. This is the actual decal. As you can see, it's a simple peel and stick. And then they also sent me this little baggie here. Inside of this baggie, I can see a green microfiber towel. We have some type of cleaner spray in there, a red squeegee, and a little sticker. This is the name of the company. Yeah, so that's what came in the box. I also have a pair of scissors that I'm going to use to trim the decal. You'll see why. And yeah, that should be all we need. So yeah, let's go ahead and jump in. All right, guys, so I'm in position. I was struggling, y'all. Like, this garage is, it's a tight squeeze up in this joint, or probably just because we got so much stuff in here. I have it on my to-do list to come out here and clear out this garage. So one day y'all will see a video where the garage is cleared out. But anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and open this up here so that I can get to this cleaner. So you always, anytime that you are installing some type of vinyl or sticker or whatever, you want to certainly install it on a clean surface. This car is freshly washed. As soon as it was done getting washed, we pulled it into the garage. I'm still going to go in with this here prep spray just to make sure that there's no oil, there's no debris, there's no residue, there's nothing on there. I'm going to just spray it here. There we go. Wipe this joint off. We want to make sure we wipe underneath the bottom also, because the decal is going to curve under there. This spray really just smells like alcohol. So it's probably, I'm sure it's alcohol based, but yeah. Isopropyl alcohol and distilled water. All right. So I think that's good. So we're going to move on to the next step. This up arrow means it goes this way. So what I'm going to do is cut off all this excess. I'm going to show y'all in a second what all I cut off. All right. And I'm also going to cut some off the top, because I really only need the actual hash stripes. All right, there we go. So here are my stripes. They're going here. So I'm going and peel this back. All right, guys, so I am peeling the decal away from the backing. And now I'm just going to very carefully position it. Like I said, you want to go 3 inches from the outside edge. So I'd say that's about here. I'm going to line it up flush to the top of the white part here. And now I'm going to take the squeegee and squeegee it down to make sure that there's no bubbles. There's no gaps. There's nothing that I don't want. So I'm just squeegeeing it out, y'all. Squeegee, squeegee, squeegee. While I'm doing this, y'all, make sure you are subscribed to the channel, because we have our giveaway coming soon. Now that I am right at the curve, do you guys see how it's kind of wrinkly here in the middle? Well, it's because this thing is curved. So what you want to do when you get to this bottom portion here at the curve, you want to cut it. That way there's no wrinkle in the decal. So you just kind of cut it up the middle like that. It doesn't matter. This part's coming off anyway. And you'll squeegee these two pieces down kind of separately. So I'm going to do this one first. There we go. And now I'll squeegee this piece down like so. That's it. That's it, y'all. That's it. So now, really just going back over it with the squeegee, just to make sure that the decal is transferring from the paper backing onto the car. So I'm just squeegeeing. Now we're going to peel off the paper backing and we should be left with two beautiful red hash stripes. Get my squeegee so I can make sure this stuff stay laying down. And guys, always remember when you're pulling off the paper backing, don't rush, because you could be mad if you pull the whole darn decal off and now you have to go in and reposition it and now it's not going to stick and all that extra. We don't got time. Ooh, oh yeah, look at that. That's what I'm talking about, y'all. Ali is the one that found this for me. He was like, oh yeah, that would look nice, and I was like, oh yeah, that would look nice. So we'll make sure we post a link to this product. That way, if you like it, you can get you some too. So check this out, you guys. Let me know what you think in the comments. I really like this. It's dark outside right now, and Ali's car is in the driveway. So I'll wait till the morning to get y'all an outside shot. These, you guys, are also reflective. So imagine a car coming towards me. You can kind of tell when you shine the light on it, but it's cool. I really like this, y'all. This is super cute. It makes your car look real sporty, or even more sporty, I guess, than it already is. And it's a good, it's adhered very well. You could tell that it's on there pretty good. The instructions does say that once you put these on, you should wait at least 48 hours before you wash your car again. Like I said, we just washed the car today, so I'm not planning on washing the car again within the next 48 hours. So, yeah, I like it. And I'm about to send Ali a picture, see what he thinks. So let me know in the comments what you think. I'm gonna tell y'all what I think. This joint is freaking gorgeous. Y'all, I love it. I love it, y'all. So I always was someone who wanted, you know, those little tiger scratch marks, the things that go over, you know, the decal that you put on the headlights. I always wanted one of those. I never got one. And actually, now I'm kind of glad I didn't, because I really like this thing, the hash marks down here on the bumper. I think I like this a little bit better. Not a knock against y'all if you do have the tiger scratch. Like I said, I wanted those for years, but this one right here I really like. It's like a very subtle little make you look twice type of thing. Y'all can't actually see it, but Ali also got me this cute little sunshade. It's a red and black Dodge sunshade. So yeah, like I said, let me know in the comments what you think about this. Is this something you would car or no? I like it a lot. And of course, y'all know I do have a stow and show license plate holder. So I think once I put my license plate on, it'll be, you know, it'll kind of break it up a little bit, but it's cool. We live in Virginia, so I ain't trying to get pulled over for not having a front plate on. The only sad part is that I'm not going to be able to see it while I'm driving. That's a bummer. But even still, y'all, that joint looks great. Let me know what you think. So guys, I definitely hope that you enjoyed that video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure that you click that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified each and every time we post a new video. Thank you guys again for watching. As always, thank you for your support. Thank you for passing 500 subscribers, and y'all have a great night. I am back with yet another glorious video. No, not glorious. It's not glorious. I'm going to show y'all in a second what all I cut off. Being in there about to go upside Ali's head. I could hear him. Y'all probably could hear him too. Alright. Now Bean's in there laughing. He probably done beat Ali up and now he's laughing.